everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shailaja Dhumar and I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. So children, today we are going to learn some more interesting topic related to phonics. Okay, so take your phonics skill book. Yes, I will wait for a second. Are you ready now? Okay children, take your phonics skill book, but before that I am going to recite one poem. Okay, why? That I am going to explain you later on. Okay children, so look at to the board. Yes, what is the name of this rhyme? Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home did trot, as fast as he could caper, went to a bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Jack and Jill went up to the hill to fetch a pail of water. So children, do you know why I recite this rhyme? Why I recite the poem? Because see, if you will see in this rhyme, Jack and Jill. Okay, this Jill, wait, this Jill and Hill. Okay, Jill and Hill, these are the same in pronunciation. Okay, also if you will see, the first letter of these words are different, but while ending these are the same, similar in the spelling. Okay, while ending here you can see the similar letters. Okay, so again what is there? Down and crown, down and crown. Okay, pronunciation is similar as well, the spellings are same while ending. Okay, again, went to bed to mend his head, bed and head. Can you see the pronunciation is same? Okay, got and home did trot, got trot. Here also if you will see, the pronunciation is same. Jill, hill, down, crown, got, trot, bed, head. So what we can say these children, what we can call to these words? Okay, we will see some more words. Okay, I will show you some more words. See children, can you see this? What it is? C-A-N, can. Can you see the picture of can? Yes. Next picture I will show you. Can you see this? F-A-N, fan. See the picture of fan? Can, fan. Okay, only first letter is different, but while ending the spellings are same and pronunciation is also same. Can, fan, fan, can. Okay, see the pictures also. Next we'll see F-I-N, fin. Can you see this children? This is a fish, but if you will see, this is called fin. Can you see this arrow? I hope you can see the arrow. See children, this is a fin. So how many fins are there? Two fins are there. F-I-N, fin. And what it is? This is a pin. P-I-N, pin. So see children, fin, pin. F-I-N, fin, P-I-N, pin, fin, pin. Some more words we are going to learn, which is, this is the picture of gum, G-U-M, gum, and S-U-M, sum. Yes, G-U-M, gum, S-U-M, sum, gum, sum, gum, sum. Okay. Next, which picture is this? Can you see this? Is this a cold or hot? Hot. H-O-T, hot. And this is P-O-T, pot. What it is? H-O-T, hot, and P-O-T, pot. Hot pot. Hot pot. Can you see, children? Only first letter is different and remaining letters, remaining ending letters are same. Also the pronunciation is similar, same. Next. Yes, which picture is this? This is a hat. H-A-T, hat. Next, which picture is this? Come on, try to read. I hope you can see the letters. I hope you can see the words. M-A-T, mat. Come on, try to read. Hat, mat. Hat, mat. Okay, next. Yes, what it is? Come on, read it. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. Jug, mug. Jug, mug. Okay, next. Which number is this? Yes, 10, T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. And what it is? Can you see? What is the spelling? Come on, read the spelling. P-E-N, pen. 10, pen. 10, pen. Yes, next. Which is your favorite and my favorite also. Can you see this? Yes. What it is? Rain. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. And what it is? Your favorite and mine also. What it is? Train. You like the toys, right? What is the spelling of train? T-R-A-I-N, train. Rain, train. Rain, train. Yes, children? So, what we call to these words or vocabularies? Come on, tell me. These are the rhyming words. What? These are the rhyming words. Now children, what is the meaning of rhyming words? Rhyming words माने क्या? Rhyming words माने जो word होता है उसका जो फर्स्ट लेटर होता है वो सिर्फ अलग होता है, बट जो एंडिंग लेटर्स होते हैं उसकी जो स्पेलिंग होती है, एंडिंग की जो स्पेलिंग होती है वो सेम होती है. ऑल्सो द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम. That we call as a rhyming words. Okay, so today we are going to learn the content which is rhyming words. So take your phonic skill book and come to page number 1717. So what it is? These are the rhyming words. What? These are the rhyming words. See children, rhyming words. Two words that sounds alike are called rhyming words. Okay, read aloud the rhyming words. Now I am going to read first. Okay, listen it very carefully. Okay children? Yes children, 1 minute, I'll just zoom this. See children, H-U-G, hug. T-U-G, tug. Can you see this? Can you see the spelling children? The spelling is, while ending, the spellings are same. While ending, the spellings are same. H-U-G, hug. T-U-G, tug. If you will see, only first letter is different. Remaining these letters are same. Also, while saying the word, pronunciation of these words are same. Hug, tug. Hug, tug. Ending का जो sound है वो same है. Okay, next. Peg, leg. Can you see this? First letter is different, but remaining these both letters are same. Peg, leg. Next. Cop, mop. Only first letters are different. C, C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mop. Ending words, O-P, O-P. Cop, mop. Cop, mop. Next we'll see. Next, cat, rat. See children, C-A-T, cat, R-A-T, rat, but remaining these two letters are same. C-A-T cat, R-A-T rat. Cat, rat. Cat, rat. Hug, tug. Remaining U-G, U-G. Same words are there. Hug, tug. Peg, leg. Peg, leg. Cop, mop. Can you see this first letter? These are the different and remaining these two letters are same. Okay. Next. Hut, nut. H-U-T, hut. Sorry. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. Cat, rat. Next. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. See, first letter is different but remaining words are same. Hut, nut. Hut, nut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. Tap, cap. Tap, cap. T-A-P, tap. C-A-P, cap. Tap, cap. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. Pin, tin. Pin, tin. Next. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. D-E-N, den. Pen, den. Pen, den. Next. S-O-B, sob. C-O-B, cob. Sob, cob. Sob, cob. Sob, cob. Next. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. Can, man. Can, man. Okay. Next. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. Pit, sit. Pit, sit. Okay. See the spellings. Only first letters are different. Remaining letters are same. While the ending of these words, if you will see, the letters are same. The spellings are same while ending. Okay. S-I-P, sip. D-I-P, dip. Sip, dip. Sip, dip. Okay. So these are the rhyming words. Yes, children. So now what we are going to do is, I am going to say and you are going to repeat after me. Okay. Now look at to the board, everyone. Otherwise you can do one thing. Put your finger in your book. Show me your magic finger. Yes. Come on, show everyone. Very good. Now open your book. I hope you have opened 1717 page number. And while reading, you have to put the finger below that letter. Understood? Say. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G, hug. T-U-G, tug. T-U-G, tug. Hug, tug. Hug, tug. Next. Can you see the picture? Yes, this is called peg. And this is a leg. P-E-G, peg. L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg. L-E-G, leg. Peg, leg. Peg, leg. Next. Can you see this? C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mop. C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mop. Cop, mop. Cop, mop. Next. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. Cat, rat. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. Cat, rat. Cat, rat. Next. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. Hut, nut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. Hut, nut. Okay. Come to next picture, children. Now you say, come on, try to read the picture. Try to read the spelling. Yes. T-A-P. Tapper, tapper. Yes. Next, here. Next picture in front of tap. C-A-P. Cap, cap. Tap, cap. Tap, cap. T-A-P, tap. C-A-P, cap. Tap, cap. Next. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. Pin, tin. Pin, tin. Next, P-E-N, pen. D-E-N, den. P-E-N, pen. D-E-N, den. Pen, den. Pen, den. S-O-B, sob. C-O-B, cob. S-O-B, sob. C-O-B, cob. Sob, cob. Sob, cob. Come to next words. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. Can, man. Can, man. Yes. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. Pit, sit. Pit, sit. Next. S-I-P, sip. D-I-P, dip. S-I-P, sip. D-I-P, dip. Sip, dip. Sip, dip. Okay? Shall we say one more time? Yes. Without spelling we'll say, okay? Say, look at to the board. Now everyone look at to the board. Say, hog, tug. Hog, tug. Peg, leg. Peg, leg. Cop, mop. Cop, mop. Cat, rat. Cat, rat. Hut, nut. Hut, nut. Tap, cap. Tap, cap. Pin, tin. Pin, tin. Pen, den. Pen, den. Sob, cob. Sob, cob.